Alright guys, we're working on a Ford Mustang here, 2021. And we're installing the carbon fiber shifters. Now there's a roll pin here at the side. You get your extract screw and you huck it into the roll pin there. And then you slowly turn this out. Once when you get the roll pin out, Jackson, you take out the microboard here, and Jackson's going to quickly install this here, just like that, and then he's going to push the roll pin back all the way in. If it doesn't go in all the way, he's going to slightly twist it, twist and push, until he's in, and then reverse it out of the tool, wiggle. There you go, all done. Look at that. And what brand is it, Jackson?
Jogon carbon fiber.
Jogon carbon fiber. You heard it here first, boys.